What's up, you guys? Hi. Okay, so this is the final color. This is the final look I got from bleaching my hair. So on the second day I was not really liking it, and I thought like I made a big mistake by bleaching my hair, but I started wearing it and now I am liking it. But I'm going to change this color to rose gold, so I am about to dye my hair pink with paradise. So let's do it. So the things you need to keep in hand if you're dyeing your hair is the plastic gloves and the brush, the oil, and if you're doing your hair color from the roots, you should like apply the Vaseline or the oil over here so that it doesn't stick to your skin. And you can apply here also if you're doing this part of the hair. So yes, let's get started. Also, pro tip, please wear your non-favorite t-shirt when you're dyeing your hair. This was my favorite t-shirt, and see what I have done with my t-shirt. This is the bleach that I was applying on my hair that day. So yeah, this was the t-shirt I was wearing when I bleached my hair, और ये इतना बुरी हालत हो गई है. So yes, wear your non-favorite t-shirt, don't wear your favorite t-shirt. Let's start applying this. I might mute this video because there is a lot of extra noises coming in the video. So yes, I'll start the voiceover from now. This is so beautiful. See, this is so good. This is the rose gold color. You should keep a cloth with you. Keeping the Spider-Man, a Spider-Man. DONOT रहा मेरा दिल का चैन. So okay, so I'm keeping the foils also ready. Do it. Like, this is my favorite hair strand. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, Gucci, Gucci. Okay, so I'm not able to like look nice, but I'll keep this side. This is better, right? This is better. Krish को डांट पड़ रही है. लहू में लग गया. So this is the color. See, wow, smells good. I don't know, man. This took me 3 hours to complete it, but I'm going to show you the whole transformation of my hair in 3, 2, 1, boom. And this is my hair transformation. I was legit not expecting how beautiful it will look, but yes, I am in love with it. This is the final look I got. It is more like a copper color, and I'm in love with this color. I was not expecting that I would love this color because I wanted more of a pink color, and also I was not able to do it properly. Like, some of the strands are still goldenish, but yes, I might do the second coating on this color. But yes, this is the final rose gold color. This is nice. I like it. And if you find this video informative, do subscribe to this channel. I'll be making more of a review videos on other products. So yes, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.